and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. Today I need to cook some steak. I've got some rump here, it's all I could get hold of during this lockdown, so I fancied using the Ooni 3. This isn't a how to cook steak in a pizza oven, it's just, I just fancy doing a steak in the Ooni 3 with pellets, which I haven't used for about 2 years. So let's just fancy giving it a go. So let's go do it. And I'm using pellets, and I haven't used them for a long time as well, even to the point where I think I nearly forgot how to do it. I've got my little jar feeding it through. I'm sure I had a griddle sizzler pan, but I can't find it. So this one I've got is Ooni's, and it's not griddled, so unfortunately it's not going to look like I would like my steak to look with the crisscross, but that's all I've got for now. So I'm going to just go and put this in now, warm it up, ready for my steak to go in. Can't believe I haven't brought it out for so long. I feel really bad actually. Okay, let's get this in, heat it up. Won't take long in there, just a few minutes. Right, I've got my steak, I've got my mushrooms, my tongs. I'm gonna get the sizzler pan out now. Okay, so it's just a matter of carefully placing my steak on here. Really hot, and my the smell of that is good. Okay. I'm gonna lift it back up. I'm not going to put the door on. I'm just going to, but then the thing is with the Ooni 3 on the pellets, if you don't put the door on, all of the, can you see all of the smoke and all the heat just goes out the back. Oh, I think it's all right. Some of it's coming to the front. It's not going to be long anyway. I mean, I wouldn't expect this cook to take more than a few minutes. I am going to have to turn the steak over. Oh, the smells coming from this. They're good. I really wish I had a griddle pan. So if you have a griddle pan with the lines in, yeah, it's just gonna look better, because this is just gonna look flat now with no lines when I turn it over, which is such a shame. I'll have to go and get one because I can't find it. I think I've lost it. I have to buy another one. So I think I'm going to go and turn it over in about 30 seconds. I'm going to just check my That's the thing with pellets, it's not like gas where you just leave it go, it's gotta make sure you're topped up. This looks all right. Right, I think I'm now ready to turn over my steak. kind of split into two. I think that's... It's a bit... I think that should be all right. I quite like it like that. As I haven't got like lines, I think that's all right. I'm not going to cook it as much on the other side because I really do want it not cooked all the way through. So I kind of quite want some, maybe just like a minute or two on the other side. All the juices are in there cooking my mushrooms beautifully. I don't know if you can see that. Ooh. Temperature's rising in my garden. I've never been so warm. Honestly, if I wasn't making a video of this, I would probably put my door on. So off it comes. And I can see like how it's cooking because this top end here, it's still a bit red in there. So I'm going to turn it round. Like magic. Do that. I think I'm just going to put it in for just another minute. And that's what's great about cooking steak in a pizza oven. You just choose how you like it, so there's no like set time. If you like it rare, you can have it just a little flip on either side. If you like it fully done, just stick it in there for a while. It's not like chicken where you've got to really worry about the looking better in there. A bit more of a flame. Those are my... I'll take my steak out if it's not... Oh, there you are. Look at that. Oh, coming right at the front. Brilliant. That's what I want. My pellet burner's just gone all smoky. So just bring this out now. Ooh. Okay, let's take this inside and have a look at my steak. Try that bit of tasty steak. Whoa, this is rump steak, and I couldn't get hold of any other type during this lockdown. I normally buy ribeye, which is delicious, but this is really tasty. Okay, let's try these mushrooms. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, that's nice. I should have fitted a lot more mushrooms in. I could eat these all day. They are so good. Actually nice mushrooms as well. They got full of mushroom flavour. I don't know, sometimes you buy mushrooms and they don't taste of mushroom, they just taste of nothing, but these actually taste of mushroom. So all in all, even though I didn't have a griddle pan, this has come out really nice. This is lovely, very nice. If you are cooking pizza and then you decide, Oh, I fancy a steak. It's so easy to do. There you are. Steak in the pizza oven. Very nice. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.